Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some super sassy short hair ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair, this video will probably make you want to grab the scissors or at least call your stylist and finally book that appointment. We start off with this gorgeous pixie undercut style. Now the color on this is quite unique. It's like a really pretty ash blonde, gray shade. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another stunning pixie style. This one has a bit of a mushroom shape to it, but it does have the baby bangs going there in the front, giving it that nice classic 90s mushroom shape. Next up, we have this mini bob haircut. This is a very popular hair trend that we've been seeing in 2023. This is also known as a pixie bob style. Such a cute look. And then we move into this blonde mushroom style pixie. Now this is also very 90s inspired with the mushroom shape. She does have beautiful blonde hair with this one. I love how this looks with the red lip and the leather outfit. This is definitely screaming fall vibes. Very cute style. And then we have another pixie undercut. She does have kind of like that ash blonde color going as well. A nice spiky texture at the top, playing into the mohawk trend. I love her makeup. So many great style ideas from this video. So then we see a pixie hair transformation. So the stylist does do an asymmetrical pixie here. Full bangs on one side, shorter on the other. And then we move into another traditional style pixie. Now we're seeing a lot of the longer sideburn look right now. I really like the texture on this pixie, so pretty. If you're looking for a simple and chic pixie, the Peter Pan pixie is definitely going to be your best bet. And then we see another pixie bob, mini bob variation. This is so gorgeous. I love her hair color. Now she has a lot of fullness within this one, so she probably has some thick hair. And then we move into another kind of boy cut style pixie with this blonde. She is getting an undercut added in as well. We're seeing a lot of shade work with the undercut pixies. You can put some designs in there too, which can be a little like a fall, like fun touch to the hair. Beautiful shade work on this. so pretty. I absolutely love this style. So this would be like a boy cut, faded cut pixie style. Next up, looks like we have another short and sweet pixie look. I love the interaction between the client and the stylist or barber. So cool. And even though women are going short this season, they can still bring a nice feminine touch to their hair. I love this look with the design on the side. So cute. And this would be a great low maintenance option. Next up, we see someone with this really pretty, bold, bright red hair color. Red is a very popular hair color for 2023. If you guys have yet to see my fall 2023 hair color video, definitely check that out. This is such a beautiful hair shade. Now she does have a really pretty pixie haircut with this one as well. And this is more, once again, that asymmetrical shape, longer on one side, shorter on the other. Next up, we see a classic angled bob. Beautiful. You can never go wrong with a classic bob. And these particular styles are usually cut to the client's face shape, so it's a great way to draw attention to your facial features and really enhance your look. Well, all right, you guys, so here we have our last hairstyle of today, which features this beautiful bob. I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these sassy short hair ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.